My name is Parvati. Welcome to Nogami Vision. I am a researcher and writer. I will share with you how I am controlling my diabetes through lifestyle changes and eating the right foods. Hope you continue to learn about diabetes and share the knowledge with others. For individuals with diabetes, it's important to manage their blood sugar levels by making wise food choices. Some fruits lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. But the emphasis here should be on some fruits. Eating the wrong fruit, or even overeating the right fruit, can rapidly spike your blood sugar. However, some fruits are loaded with soluble and insoluble fiber, which prevents blood sugar fluctuations by slowing down carb digestion and absorption of glucose. Whole fruits were associated with a lower risk of diabetes. Fruit juice consumption was actually associated with a higher risk. Consume fruit in its whole, natural form. Portion size is key. One serving of fruit shouldn't have more than 15 grams of carbohydrates. Let's talk about the best fruits to eat if you have diabetes. Number 1 on our list of fruits for diabetics is the mother of all superfoods. A superfruit that is easily available to us is amla. Amla has so many qualities and benefits. Amla's Ayurvedic properties. Guna quality, cool, heavy. Taste, sour, dominance, sweet, astringent, pungent, bitter, except salty. Balances all three dosha. The sourness of amla decreases the excess of vata dosha. Coldness and soothing effects reduce the pitta dosha, and the rough or sharp nature mitigates the kapha dosha in the body. Amla is, actually, the second most powerful source of vitamin C ever discovered by scientists. And they are the single most powerful antioxidant-containing food ever discovered by humans. When it comes to fruits for people living with diabetes, amla is the king. The problem is that it doesn't taste very good. So the best way is to add 3 to 4 amlas with carrots or other fruit juices. People also like pickled amlas. Because amla is so powerful, it is best to eat with lunch. Do not overeat or take amlas in the morning. The next fruit is the jamun, or Indian blackberry, also known as jambolan, black plum, Portuguese plum, or Jamaica, which is a great choice for diabetics. It is low on GI of 25. Jamun and jamun seed powder is known for controlling blood sugar levels. In Ayurveda, jamun seed contains chemical compounds called jamboline and jambosine that decrease the rate at which sugar is released into the bloodstream, a great source of antioxidants and polyphenols. Rich in vitamin C, iron, calcium, and potassium, it also helps with digestion. You can eat jamun at any time, and you can also make juice to drink, which is very easy to make. Just take the pulp and add a little rock salt. You may add jaggery powder, blend it, and drink it. It is so delicious. Amrud or guava. Now we talk about the health benefits of amrud or guava. The guava fruit is widely grown in South Asia, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Mexico. The fruit is frequently consumed fresh or transformed into drinks and jams. I used to live in Venezuela next to a sweets shop that made amrud sweets. Have you tried any sweets made with amrud? Tell us in the comments. It is often used as medicinal, including the fruit leaves and juice. Diabetes-friendly amrud protects against the development of diabetes because of its high fiber content and low glycemic index. The presence of fiber helps to manage sugar levels. The low glycemic index prevents a sudden surge in blood sugar levels. It has a glycemic index of 12 to 45 depending on the region. For 100 grams of serving, it has 51 calories. Fibers 5 grams, carbs 9 grams. Full of antioxidants. Vitamins A and B9. Did you know that one of the best sources of vitamin C is amrud? The vitamin C concentration of amrud is 4 times that of oranges. Vitamin C protects you against common illnesses and germs, and vitamin C also helps boost immunity. Vitamin C works as a solid antioxidant to combat free radicals produced by the body and stop the development of cancer cells. Many people believe that fruits, such as oranges, are unhealthy for diabetes and should be avoided. Oranges, in fact, can be a healthy element of a diabetes-friendly diet. Oranges are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them an excellent source of nourishment. Although you may have to limit your intake if you have the condition. They are low in glycemic index. Fiber 3 to 4 grams. Fiber-rich diets, linked to better blood sugar control. Fiber helps reduce blood sugar spikes after a meal and so helps with keeping blood sugar levels stable. Vitamins and minerals. Diabetes patients may benefit from the numerous vitamins and minerals found in oranges. The vitamin C content of a medium-size orange is roughly 91% of the daily value for vitamin C. Orange is also an antioxidant, which means it protects your body from damage caused by free radicals. Oranges are also high in folate. Diabetes patients can benefit from flavonoid antioxidants in various ways, including the reduction of inflammation, the prevention of oxidative stress, and the improvement of insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that this mineral can improve insulin resistance and blood sugar management. Have you heard a saying in English, apple a day keeps the doctor away? Apples are 86% water, 96 calories, 4.5 grams of fibers. Research shows that apples have vitamin A, B1, B6, B2, vitamin C, vitamin E, and K. Minerals like copper, magnesium, potassium, and polyphenol. Fibers like pectin. Antioxidants like polyphenols. For diabetes, apples have a GI of 38. Apples also might help by supporting and helping the beta cells of the pancreas, which are responsible for producing insulin, which is key for managing and combating diabetes. So apple a day does keep the doctor away. Let's talk about the berries. By that, we mean strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. But do they help with diabetes? We will explore that. These berries are a treasure, full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Vitamin C and K, magnesium and potassium. Have only 84 calories, 15 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fiber. Their GI is only 25. They reduce spikes in your blood sugar levels and slows down digestion. To help manage diabetes, strawberries and blueberries are so delicious they can be eaten as they are, or eaten with yogurt for a healthy snack. How do you like to eat them? Tell us in the comment. They are also suitable for lowering bad cholesterol, preventing heart attacks, and helping our bones, and preventing cancer. If you appreciate all the information and research that goes into making a video like this, please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and select all to get new videos as soon as they are released. Thank you. Peaches are delicious and friendly fruit for diabetics. Peaches come with great benefits for people with diabetes. They have high fiber content to keep the blood sugar level down. Have vitamins A and C and potassium, which is also good for your heart. It has only 58 calories, 15 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fiber. They are rich in polyphenols to combat hyperglycemia and insulin resistance. Have you had a peach today? Apricot, originally from China and India, but now is grown all over the world. Apricots are often overlooked in comparison to other fruits, but they are becoming very popular, not because they are very tasty, but because they are high-fiber fruit, are packed with numerous health benefits. Excellent for diabetics, insulin-resistant. They contain high levels of antioxidants, essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. All of the B vitamins, also A, C, E, and vitamin K, are also helpful for heart and blood pressure. You can eat fresh or dried but not preserved because they are in syrup with added sugar. Make apricot a part of your daily diet. Falsa is another super fruit like jamun and amla. This fruit has a very short shelf life and is difficult to transport. For only a couple of months of hot summer days, you can enjoy the benefits of this super fruit. It is available in South Asia. For diabetics, it is best to eat whole fruits and avoid making juices. But if you have to make juice of any fruit, don't put any sugar, especially white processed sugar, which is the worst form of sugar. Try to add a sugar or, if you can, use artificial sweeteners like stevia, which is a plant-based sweetener and not chemical. 100 grams of falsa has 72 calories. Fiber 1.2 has many nutritional values like calcium, iron, phosphorus, and sodium to regulate enzymes. Electrolyte for muscle strength. Helps for the digestive system. Lot of antioxidants to help with diabetes and heart, and have a low GI. We got a lot from this video. In the next video we will talk about fruits that you should avoid. Please hit the notification bell and select all to be notified for the next video. Thanks and be well.